All right, onto the front end. Make sure you have a nice secure lifting device. Probably not a ratchet strap from an eye hook in the ceiling, but pick those up so they don't get kicked across the floor. But yeah, the standards have a McPherson strut, so it's all shock, hub assembly, all in one. This has a true A-arm and power steering, but it's pretty similar. Take your little clip out. Don't need that one. This is the tricky part. Since it has electronic four-wheel drive and the brakes on the other side, get a little creative with something. And all my pry bars and tools are at my buddy's. So let's see if I can hold the brake. Get that off. Then throw these across the garage or put them in your toolkit so when you're out in the middle of nowhere and you lose one, we are taking off the brake line retainer from the shock spring. Now taking off the upper shock bolt, lower shock bolt. Riveting stuff here. Pulling your shock. Don't need to do that yet, but then down here, if you can see, lower ball joint. That's probably a good angle. Yep. Your little clip out, pin, don't care what you call it. Don't want to lose that one because you don't get a new one. Again with the correct wrench. Go the correct way. Now that's off. And get your little washer guy. Beat on it until it comes free like so. Try to drive over your wrenches with your stool, that's always key. Lifting your shock all the way up to the fender. Pull and roll and fight that until you can get that out of the way. And then you play the same game we did on the back. while trying not to mess up your knee. There, pulls right out. Just like that, no problem. Keep that one as a spare. Throw it in your trailer. Removing your new high quality unit. Making sure you get your new clip for the axle nut. Good healthy glob of grease. Lift up your shock. Heavy ass spindle. Work it right in like that. Moving your castle nut. Carefully applying lubricant to the shaft. Like so. And then the fun part, this guy probably should be taking off. Can you see? This, try again. This nut, but I'd rather fight something for 45 minutes than take off any more bolts than I have to. Making sure to burr up all your threads. How's the floor look? So once you get it in there, grease on the camera. Same thing, bend, pry, push, pull. Dip, dive, duck, and dodge. Getting the splines in. And your washer. Castle nut. Replacing the lower ball joint. Getting on the top of the spindle to set it a little bit better. Washer. Oh, let's see. Tighten up your castle. Proper wrench, making sure that you're not just spinning the dingus, ball joint, shank, while you're turning your castle nut. If you are, try hitting up on there to set the taper, getting that good and tight, while trying to find the holes for your keeper pin. Going the wrong way. Tightening. Tightening again. Still tightening. Until your little pin slides in. Grabbing your hammer, giving it a little bit of persuasion. But not too much. Until that goes home. Bend it over so that doesn't fall out. Back around here. Tightening your castle nut to preload the bearing to proper specifications. Drop your pliers on your camera. Holding the brake. Until your castle nut holes line up. Send that guy home. Tapping it over with your hammer. Put your upper shock bolt, lower shock bolt back in, not forgetting your jam nut for the brake retainer. Put the wheels on and go brake it again. That was only an hour from start to finish, and we got her all squared away for plowing. Gonna go hook the plow up, give that a test run, and should be ready for the foot of snow come the end of the week. So next video will probably be digging in the basement or snowmobiling, hopefully up north. See ya.